y'all kin folk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GOAT, Weezy F, baby. Please say the baby. Your favorite country cousin back in the building, man. Appreciate y'all for coming through and rocking with your boy as always. Now, before we get started, if you're new over here, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button for your boy. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any video that I put out. And also hit that like button and share this thing, man. If you watch the whole video and you like this joint, man, go ahead and share it. Tell a friend, like, hey, that boy GOAT Weezy got some good things going on over there, man. So, hey, help your boy out, man. But nah, welcome over here, man. Welcome, welcome. Got something special for y'all, man. Y'all see it in the title and y'all see the thumbnail. Y'all already know what time it is when it comes to the Kyries, man. Y'all know Kyrie is my favorite current NBA player right now besides Carmelo Anthony and LaMelo Ball. Well, but you know, after Kobe, it was always Kyrie. Even though Kyrie went to Duke and I'm a North Carolina fan. But that's neither here nor there, man. But this sneaker right here, this is the first collaboration of this sneaker that I have. Like, man, I'm so excited. And shout out to my bros who actually helped me get these, man, because I didn't think I was going to be able to get them, but the boys put me on game. They know who they are, man. I ain't going to say no names. I guess it's a secret. I don't know, man. I ain't going to say no names, but if they watching this video, they definitely know who they are. All right? But y'all know what I'm talking about, man. And this is the Sneakerroom Kyrie collaboration, the mom pair. But without further ado, let me go ahead and unbox these things for y'all, give y'all a live reaction. Let's go. Make sure I don't cut the box. All right, let's see. We got our... Now, I wish these kind of came in a special box, man. So we got the Kyrie 7 box. And it's crazy we still getting Kyrie 7s because I'm waiting on some Kyrie 8s, man. I need some 8s. And I don't want to have to go to StockX or to go there. Okay, well, we got something else in here. Because y'all know I don't care about the boxes. And, okay, we got a little bag. Shout out to Sneakerroom out there in Jersey, man. Shout out to Siraj, you know. I think this is either the 4th or 5th collaboration. I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't have any of the Sneakerroom mom joints. But definitely glad to have this pair. Let y'all see it, man. We got that Kyrie box. Woo, y'all know I'd be excited when I get some new Kyries, dog. All right, the tag reads Kyrie 7, multicolor. And y'all know I wear a size 12. Even though Kyries do run kind of snug, I do like my basketball sneakers to fit a little tight, you know, because y'all know I got bad knees and I ain't hooping in a minute, but definitely plan on starting back hooping real soon. It's coming. But let's drop the top on this joint, man. See what we working with. Okay. All right, it got a little card, Sneakerroom card. All right, let y'all see that. That is the, on the front side, it is the fire and water. I don't know if y'all can see that. There it is, the fire and water pair. And then it says the collaboration between Nike, Kyrie Irving, and Sneakerroom has become a charitable movement. With the release, 100% of the proceeds are being donated. In the past, this collaboration has funded many Sneakerroom Foundation projects to make an impact on the community. And that's another reason why I'm glad I ended up buying this pair, because the Sneakerroom, like I said, the Sneakerroom Foundation, all the money, everybody that bought these goes to that foundation. And here it is right here. I might blow it up for y'all on another screen, let y'all see it. Gotta hide my face, gotta hide all this beauty, you feel me? Put that right there and whoo! My God! Ooh-wee! Let y'all already see, y'all know what we get with the Kyrie 7 box, but the shoes, oh my Lord! Woo! Well, these things is gorgeous. Look. Oh my God. Get some zoom action for y'all, man. Come on, camera. Zoom in for your boy. You feel me? Zoom in. Zoom in. Ooh. I might have to get like Jay the Sneaker Guy stand up for these, man. Golly, that looks good. Oh my Lord. I sound real country right now, man. Like I ain't never had nothing before. Because I ain't never had nothing before. So let me stop. But now let's go ahead and go into details about these, man. So this is the Wind and this is the Earth colorway Kyrie 7. Whoo, boy. Now, I'm mad I didn't get a chance to get the other one. They also came with a t-shirt. I didn't buy the t-shirt. By the time I clicked on the t-shirt, it was sold out. Bruh, If anybody got a t-shirt extra large, let me know. And if you got a size 12 in the water and the fire pair, let me know. I need those. But I want to talk about these, and I'm going to talk about these individually. All right. So with this collaboration with Sneakerroom and Kyrie Irving, the owner, Siraj, him and Kyrie are real close. You know, they both from Jersey. And the mom collection came about because they both lost their mothers. I know Kyrie lost his mom in 1996, and I know that's engraved on one of the colorways. I think it's the green one I just put on the floor, but I'll talk about that one when I get to the green one. But right now we're gonna talk about this yellow pair, this wind pair. Now the colorway kind of reminds me of the Kicks Kyrie 4. Y'all remember the cereal pack when we got the Kicks, the yellow, the blue? I think that's the only cereal pack sneaker I don't have. But oh my goodness, y'all, look at that. Ooh, man, like I'm excited, dog. All right, but a few details about this sneaker, man. So we're gonna start off with the tongue, and this is the left sneaker for this pair. So on the tongue, it does have mom on it. Let y'all see that. Ooh, it has mom, and it has the name Ellen. Ellen is the name of Siraj's mother, who's the owner of Sneakerroom. And inside the tongue, it says "Love and miss you, mom." And it has Siraj's signature. I don't know if y'all can see that, but even if y'all can't see it right here, I'm definitely gonna blow it up in another picture. All right. Let's get into the heel. It says "in honor of," and I know on the green one it has a blank space, so you can put whoever name you want on that one. And on the left one, it does have the sunflower. Ooh, y'all see that sunflower right there? Hold on, let me bring it down. Brother Sunflower. Yeah, that's a Martin reference. All right, now going down to the bottom of the heel, it says his legacy is going to live on forever. And that's in reference with my favorite basketball player of all time, Mr. Kobe Bryant. Y'all know Kobe Bryant passed away 2 years ago. And Kobe was a huge mentor to Kyrie. Y'all know Kyrie loved Kobe. And two of the most skilled basketball players I have ever seen in my life, Kyrie and Kobe. So it's only right that the Kyries always have that Kobe quote on them. All right, and let's see, inside this sneaker, it has 3/2. I'm guessing that's March 2nd. Not too sure what that date is. I think that, I ain't even gonna tell y'all what that is, man, because I really don't know, to be honest. Like I said, I didn't know anything about when these were releasing, but if it wasn't for my OGs, I wouldn't have got these anyway. In the insole, it says Sneakerroom Foundation. Like I said, if you don't see it here, I'm definitely gonna put it up, blow it up for y'all. But these are dope, man. I'm mad I didn't get the other pair, and they do come with an extra set of laces. We got the cotton candy color laces, that pink and that blue. I like these, but I probably won't put it in this pair. Now on to the green pair, the earth pair. Boy. Now, I'm a fan of this type of green right here. Now, I do have other green Kyrie 7s. I say Kyrie 7s. Dog, that Weatherman pair that I have, bro, they don't have anything on this earth colorway. I like this vibrant green. This is like a, definitely earth tone, but it kind of puts me in the mind of like that neon green. I don't know. What y'all think, man? Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. But going into details of this sneaker, since this is the right sneaker, we do have that Kyrie Irving logo, and on this one we have his mother's name, which was Elizabeth, and it's the same thing, "Love and miss you, mom," on the inside of the tongue with Siraj's signature on there. And I'm not sure if this is numbered. If these are numbered, this is crazy, because right now I'm looking at it and it says one of 1,996. Now, with these pairs, only 1,996 was made, and that's in reference to Kyrie's mom. That's the year she passed away, 1996. And if this is the one of 1996, man, y'all gotta let me know, man. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna ask the boys. But this is crazy, man. Like, I think this might be my first number pair. I don't have any. All these sneakers I got behind me, I don't have any number pair, guys, which is crazy. All right. And so we have 8/13, that date in there. Let y'all see that. We do have, the tongue got in the way, but we do have 8/13. I don't know if y'all can see that one. And then we have the one of 1996. All right. Now on the back heel of this one has a swoosh shaped butterfly. So I think that's pretty good, man. You know, Nike always have good aesthetics when it comes to stuff like that, man. Check that out. All right. And, oh, I forgot to tell y'all about the locks right here. The locks, they do have the earth, wind, fire, and water. And these also came with an extra set of laces, but I think I'm gonna keep the laces pretty normal, man. All right, now looking at both pairs, inside the swoosh, there are hearts inside of this. Like I said, with the wind pair, y'all see the heart inside the swoosh. And then on the green pair, we have the same exact thing. We have those hearts inside of that swoosh. But without further ado, I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll, and then we're gonna end this joint, man. All right, guys, here you have it, the Kyrie 7 Sneakerroom collaboration, the mom pair. Like I said earlier, I'm definitely going to try to get the fire and ice. Here we have the wind and we have the earth pair. I definitely want to get that fire and ice. Hopefully, I can find someone to help me secure those. I'll probably have to get them on StockX, and I really don't want to get them off StockX, but I don't have like any other choice at this point. But hopefully the resale isn't too bad on those. But I know it's a lot of Kyrie fans, and I don't think a lot of people really knew, because I'm a huge Kyrie fan, and I definitely didn't know about this release. But y'all let me know in the comment section how you feel about these. Or if you're a Kyrie collector, you know, let me know if this is one of your favorite collaborations. Nah, man, I appreciate y'all coming through for checking out these. The wind and the earth. Let it focus. There it is. But then, nah, man, once again, I appreciate y'all for coming through as always and sending everybody love, peace, and all this beef, throw some chicken grease on that thing. Out of here.